567 Aloha Street, doing a camera inspection from a clean out in the back of the house, back of the property. This line has 2 duplexes on it. So we're going to pull back from here and record as we go. I'm going to turn the microphone off for now. Pulling back through 6-inch diameter clay pipe. And you can see the bells right there. A couple of them were kind of difficult to get over. I had to jiggle it a couple times. These ones don't look too bad. Still 6, and then there's the 4. So you have exactly 30 feet of 6-inch. Oh, the microphone's on. So yeah, here's a 4x6 transition. I'm going to pause the recording and locate this on the 6-inch side there. All right. I'm going to zero my footage out here. Coming back now through 4-inch diameter clay pipe. Got some build up, some offsets. There's a tie-in from the structure on the west side. I'm gonna locate this real quick. This is the end of the clean out right here. About to pull out of. I'm going to end the recording there.